second hack.
1:3:1.
1 is to 3
3
is
is
to
to
1.
1.
1 is to 3 is to 1. Okay. The team is always come up with problems. Sir, that is not working, what I require to do. Sir, this one is issue is there, what I require to do that. Then I told clearly, don't come up with the only problem. Don't come up with the only problem. So come with the 3 possible solutions. Come with the 3 possible solutions and one best solution in your perspective or one recommended solution in your perspective. I told 1 is to 3 is to 1. One problem, 3 possible solutions, one recommended solution. If the team is always come up with the problem and solutions, believe me, most of the problems are going to be solved without your involvement only. The team can even write, oh, these are the possible solutions, this is the best solution. Yes, if you are feeling that it is the best solution, definitely the problem is going to be fixed. Then what is the need? Okay, please try. Simple word, one single word I will use. Try yourself. You have confidence, right? Try yourself. That thing. So the team never going to come up with the issues. They should always come up with 1 is to 3 is to 1. One problem, 3 possible solutions, one recommended solution. Then the team will become leaders. Just like a leader, they are going to think, not just like a follower. In some companies, in some roles, if you are having an issue, what you are going to ask? If you are having an issue, that's not my problem. My boss is going to take care. My boss is going to take care. Array, so and so thing happened. How you can handle? My boss is going to take care. My boss is going to take care. My boss is going to take care. If you have such a type of employees, then for everything your boss is the responsible to do that, then that company never going to grow. Without this person, happily, the things are going to run. Need not be 100% perfect. 80% perfection if it is going to run, that thing is enough.